Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So it's that time of month again to do the Petit Vour unboxing. So I have the July Petit Vour box with me and I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to try out any products that are makeup products. I'll give you my first impressions of the other products in the box. And then the final part of this video will be a review of the June Petit Vour box. So let's just jump right in. I'm going to start with the makeup item, which is why my makeup is kind of half done right now. And we got an item from Lila B. And Lila B is a fairly high-end brand. It was started being carried at Sephora maybe about like a year ago. And it is now being carried at Petit Vour. And this is the Lila B Divine Duo Lip and Cheek set. And this is a set of 3. There's kind of a very kind of rose pink shade, a red shade, and then a bit more of the fuchsia shade here. These are obviously not the full size. This is a sample. It's valued at $4. And I'm gonna go ahead and try one of them out. I'm not gonna try all 3 because they come in a blister pack. And because of that, it's kind of wasteful for me to open up all 3 right now, but I will give one a try. And I think the one I'm actually gonna try today is this fuchsia color here. This is in the shade Be Sassy. Be Real is the pink shade up here, and Be Fearless is the middle shade here, which is the red shade. Be Sassy would kind of go well with my shirt, that's what I'm thinking. So let's go ahead and give this a try. It doesn't have much of a scent, and it's pretty solid. I thought it would be kind of more liquidy, but it's quite solid. Okay. It's pretty intense, as you can see here. I think first I'll apply this to my cheeks and then I will apply some to my lips. And I'm guessing because this color is so pigmented, I'm gonna need like the tiniest amount, so. I was worried because this color was so intense that I would end up looking like a clown. I was able to get it blended out really nicely on my cheeks, and it's interesting because I don't know if you could tell on the camera, but it's pretty matte for a cream product. It seems, I feel like it's gonna dry down pretty matte, which I think especially with my oily skin could be really nice. I mean, I love cream blushes. I'm kind of a cream blush junkie, so I really do love cream blush formulas, but it'll be interesting to see kind of how this wears throughout the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of this to my lips. What do you guys think of how this looks on my lips? I actually really like it. This is so far one of the few lip and cheek products that I actually like on both my lips and my cheeks. Normally, I only really like it on my cheeks and not my lips. Normally I find these types of products to be too sheer on my lips. But this did build up really nicely and give me some really nice color. We'll have to see how it wears not only on my lips, but also on my cheeks throughout the day. I can let you know that in the description box down below. Yeah, so far I really like it and I really don't have anything to say negative about it. So far so good. The next product in the box is probably the one that I am most excited about. And this is the Osea Essential Hydrating Oil. And this is a sample size, I believe, but it is a value of $32 and it's a pretty big bottle. And I was so excited to see this because I love Osea skincare. Like, I've tried out a number of products from Osea. Some of my favorites being their Blemish Balm. I also love their Ocean Cleanser. I use their Sea Minerals Mist. So when I saw this, I was so excited because I get to try out another Osea product. And I was a little sad though, because I was like, I'm probably gonna fall in love with it, and then it's gonna be another really expensive Osea skincare product that I'm gonna wanna purchase the full size of. But I am really excited to try this out. And I have tried this out a couple of times already, And what surprised me about it when I first went to use it is it's a roller ball dispenser. So I guess you could roll it across your face. What I have been doing is I've been rolling it out onto my fingers and then like massaging it in my face that way. For some reason, I don't like the idea of rolling a roller ball just directly across my face, but I have really been enjoying it. The scent of the oil is not particularly lovely. Like, it's not like the Leilani Champagne Serum. It's not like the Herbivore lapis oil. It just smells kind of like a face oil. There's no ingredient in it to me that gives it like a really nice floral scent or citrus scent or anything like that. It just kind of smells like generic face oil. But I have really liked it, and I really have been liking the consistency of it. It is pretty lightweight and it just sinks into my skin, but it definitely does make my skin feel very hydrated. Like when I wake up in the morning, my skin does seem very hydrated. It looks kind of glowy, like in a good way when I wake up in the morning. So it does seem to be working. And I know that's kind of a funny thing for someone with oily skin to be happy about, but I've been battling some acne recently, I think from stress. I have a friend here on my forehead that you can probably see, but the issue with getting really bad acne is sometimes when I'm trying to treat that, I end up drying out my skin. So I've been battling with acne and some dry patches simultaneously, which is like the worst combination to have to fight. So I was really excited to see this, and I do think this is going to kind of help with that. I will continue testing this out, and then in my August Petit Vour Box unboxing, I can give you like a review on what I think of it. But I am really excited, and I have really high hopes because my skin does really like Osea skincare products, so I think this will jive really well. And as I mentioned, the value of this is $32. It's supposed to help with fine lines and wrinkles as well, so we'll see. We got another like hydrosol mist in this month's box, and this one is from Little Barn Apothecary. It is their Aloe Rose Water Balancing Mist. So this is an $8 value, and it's a hydrating toner that balances the skin's pH. What I typically do with all my hydrosols is after I wash my face in the morning, I will spray like a hydrosol or mist on my face, and then I will use my rose quartz roller to roll, my face. So I have used this a couple times with that. It does have a very distinct rose scent, well, because it is a rose water mist, and rose just isn't my favorite scent. Like, it's just not, of all the scents out there. I mean, there are worse ones, but it's just not my favorite. And I'm not 100% sure if rose jives well with my skin. I'm still figuring that out, but I am trying this out. So instead of using my Osea Sea Minerals Mist, I have swapped this into my routine instead. So I will use that throughout the month, and then at the end of the month, I can let you know my thoughts on it. But it does have aloe vera, which is really nice for your skin, especially if you're dealing with acne. I've heard aloe vera can be really good for that. So hopefully this will also help with that. Turkish rose and Nigerian hibiscus, which I'm guessing probably the hibiscus and the rose are what gives it this lovely pink color. And the mister on this is really nice. See, actually I'll just spray myself here, you can see. Like, it's quite a fine mist, which was nice. I wasn't expecting that, especially from a travel, like more of a travel size product. Sometimes the misters on those can be kind of hit or miss. So this does have a really nice mister. Like I said, I will continue using it, let you know my thoughts, but so far so good. Okay, and then the final product in this month's box is from Ursa Major, and these are the Ursa Major Essential Face Wipes, and this is a pack of 5. And I've heard really good things about these, but I've never tried them out, so I was really excited to get this. Also, I'm going to be leaving in just like a couple days to go to my sister-in-law's wedding, and so I was like, oh, these are perfect. Like, I can take these with me. I can use them as, my makeup remover while I'm traveling. So I am going to be doing that. I haven't tried them out for that reason yet, because I am going to be taking them with me. In my August Petit Vour Box video, I will let you know how I like these. And the value of these wipes is $7. So overall, the total value of this month's box is $51. And considering you pay $18 for the box, I think that's a really great deal. And I think especially, most of the value of the box came from this product. I really like this month's box. I think it's a really good combination of products. So let me know what you think about this month's box. So now I'm going to do a review of the June Petit Vour box. And the first product I want to talk about is one that I wasn't able to review in that box because I hadn't used it yet. And that was the Juice Beauty Green Apple Cleansing Bar. And I had been using another bar of soap in the shower, one that I'd been gifted. And I ran out of that one, so I took the opportunity to swap this one into the shower. And I didn't really expect to really like this, you know, a bar of soap, but I actually really like it. And part of why I like this so much is it suds up very well and it doesn't have much of a scent. So if you are someone that wants a bar of soap that, you know, suds up, does its stuff really well, but isn't strongly scented, this is really great. I remember when I first put it in the shower and I like smelled it and I was like, it doesn't actually really smell like anything. So that was a really nice surprise for me and I really do like it. So far, I am really liking this bar of soap. Who knew? Also in last month's box, we got the, I think it's the Vermont Perfumery sample of, I got the Sirena perfume, and I really like this as well. This is a perfume oil, and so the really nice thing I found about this perfume is that because it is an oil, it lasts on your skin for a really long time. So yeah, I do like it. The scent in particular, Sirena, just isn't my favorite scent. But I am really interested in trying out other perfumes from this company because I do like the way it wears. So this is a really cool perfume if you want to find a more natural perfume. I think checking out ones from this Vermont Perfumery are a really great option. Last month we also had a hydrocell product in our June Petit Vour box. And this was the Moon and a Rose Hydrating Rose Toner. And this is a pretty small sample. So here's the one from Lowell Bar and Apothecary, and here's the one from Moon. So you can see the size difference in the bottles. So this one is definitely a much larger bottle. I did, during the month of June, go through the entire Moon and a Rose Hydrating Rose Toner. And I liked it, but it's not a product that I feel the need to purchase a full size of. Like, it was nice, but it's not, I don't know, it just didn't completely wow me. Like, I really feel no need to run out and purchase the full size of this. So it was okay. I think part of the problem is that this sample was so small that, especially with skincare, when you have a sample this small of a product like a toner, it's hard to tell if it's actually working, if it's helping your skin or not, because kind of by the time your skin is like getting used to it and kind of jiving with it, then you're out of it. So I don't know. Let me know what you thought if you got this Moon and a Rose toner. Did you feel very strongly one way or another about it? Like I said, I also don't know if my skin loves rose. We're still working on that, so I don't know. And we also got the Gold Faded MD, what is this called? This is the Facial Detox Clarify and Clear Mask. And I have been using this quite a bit because I am suffering from a number of breakouts right now. And I do think that masks like this do help to kind of get things turned over and cleared out in your skin. I posted an Instagram story, which some of you may have seen with me using this mask, but it's really weird in consistency because it's like white and creamy and it kind of looks like you slathered a whole bunch of zinc oxide on your face when you have this mask on. But I like it, and also it contains camphor, so it's really nice and cooling. Like, it feels very refreshing to have this mask on. And I know this is gonna sound funny, but it is hot here. Like, I don't know what is going on with the weather in New England. It was like freezing cold, and then we hit summer and it was like we are cold and we skipped spring and then went straight to 90-degree weather. Like, it is hot, it is humid, like, and by hot, I do mean like high 80s, 90s, and humid. So it is pretty miserable weather. Having this face mask with the camphor and feeling kind of the cooling feeling from the camphor is really refreshing. So I really do like this. And also, I have been using this mask as it says that you can, as a spot treatment. So like if I do, you know, like with my friend right here, I'll put this on at night. All the spot treatments I've tried haven't just like zapped a spot and just completely gotten rid of it. But I do find that they help to get things kind of moving and cleared out faster than if I weren't using it. So yeah, I have really been liking this, and I still have a fair amount left in this tube, so I'll continue using it. And eventually you'll see it in my empties. And the final product we had in last month's box was the Clove and Hallow lip glaze, and I had the shade Angelic, which I already owned. This is the one I already owned, so I gave the one in Angelic away to one of my friends who really wanted it. But I love the Clove and Hallow lip glazes. I think the formula is really great. The pigmentation is great. They're very affordable. So I already knew I love this, and I still love it. So my opinion on this hasn't changed. If you want, I will actually link a video where I swatched all 6 of the Clove and Hell lip glazes. That way if you want to check them out and see the color differences between them, I'm super excited because Clove and Hell, I've loved them since the very beginning. Like, I feel like I was one of the first people to really find them and start using their products. And they're now available in so many places. Like, you can get them from Clove and Hell directly, you can get them from Petit Vour now, which is super exciting. So definitely a lip product, mainly lip product brand that's worth checking out. Also, they're vegan and cruelty-free as well, so can't complain about that. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also be sure to hit that bell button so you're notified of when I post new videos. And check out my Instagram. I'll have my handle down below. I'm at naturallybeautifulgirl. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!